Today we will talk about push notifications. Web push notifications are those notifications you often see when you visit a new website. For instance, here on TextBroker you can see this little push notification here where TextBroker asks you if it is okay for them to send you news and updates about their services. Now these web push notifications are incredibly powerful because let's say you do allow them to send you these updates and news. What happens is that they can actually reach you even if you're not on their website, and that makes web push notifications an incredibly powerful tool. Now let's say you clicked here on allow, TextBroker can now reach you wherever you are on the internet. So they can push a few updates per day if they want, and it will just magically appear on your computer screen whenever you have your browser opened. It doesn't matter if you're actually browsing the TextBroker website or not. They can still send you those updates and you will see them on your screen. Now let's say you're a blog owner or you have some other kind of website. The amazing thing now is that if you do install web push notifications for your website, whenever somebody reaches your website, they will get this prompt on their screen and you can ask them if it's okay if you send them some updates or not. And if they click on allow, you basically have like a new subscriber for that service. And now imagine you have thousands of visitors every day on your website, and even if just 10 or let's say 50 or 100 a day will click on allow, you can easily get a lot of new subscribers each and every day. And whenever you have like fresh content on your website, maybe you just have a new blog post or something like that, you can actually push that to all your web push notification subscribers. In this way, on one of my websites, I collected almost 20,000 subscribers in a pretty short period of about maybe 6 or 7 months. Now, whenever I push something with web push notifications, I can easily get maybe, let's say, 50 or 100 people back on my website like that. And that's really amazing because I don't pay anything for these web push notifications and it is very easy to install. All you need to do is you have to install this kind of prompt here and give people the chance to actually subscribe for that service on your website. Now that we have seen all the big benefits from web push notifications, I would like to introduce to you the web push notification service that I use myself. I'm personally using a service called Ezootoo. Now, I'm not 100% sure if that service is still free, but I never had to pay anything for it. I would highly recommend you to actually check it out and maybe get in touch with Ezootoo. Their customer service is pretty good and I'm sure they can answer all the questions you might be having. They do have different kind of services, but I think the basic service should be free, or at least I have never been charged for anything so far. Also, there are many other services like that out there, so you could also have a look for other ones. Now, if your website is on WordPress, then the installation is very easy. You can actually just download their WordPress plugin, and like that you will be able to integrate your website very easily. If you're not on WordPress, you can also use a JavaScript file from Ezootoo, and then you will have to embed that in your website to make it work. But once you actually registered for Ezootoo, you will find the instructions where everything is explained in utmost detail. Also, if you should experience problems with Ezootoo, please reach out to me or just leave a comment in this video and I will be glad to help. I'm using this service on several of my websites and it really works very well. Another thing I would like to add about Ezootoo is the fact that you can actually even run ads through their service. So that means you can even push ads through web push notifications with Ezootoo and you can earn some ad revenue like that. This only gets interesting though if you have quite a lot of traffic on your website. But if you do have a lot of traffic, you could definitely make a few extra bucks by pushing some ads to your subscribers with Ezootoo. So to summarize, what you would need to do is to actually register with Ezootoo. Then you would have to implement their script or use their plugin for the integration. And once that is done, if the installation is successful, whenever somebody will reach your website, they will see this web notification prompt. You can also customize the message there. It will basically say something, is it okay if we send you some news and updates and stuff? And whenever people click on allow, you basically have a new subscriber that later on you can easily reach by creating special web push notifications to notify your users that you have new content on your website. If you are unsure about this service, you can also reach out to Ezootoo here in the live chat. Just click on that button in the bottom right corner here and reach out to the team, and you can also ask them about the different plans. In my case, on 1 or 2 websites, I actually also push some ads, and I think that is probably why I can get the service for free. Or maybe it is limited to a certain amount of subscribers. But as you can see here as well, there's definitely a free trial as well. So at least for a couple of days you could probably use the service for free. And let me tell you one thing, it's definitely worth it because it is a very good and easy way to get subscribers. And this kind of service has a lot of value, almost like a newsletter, because the magic of this whole thing is that it enables you to reach your customers even if they are not browsing your website. So wherever they are on the web, as long as they have the browser opened, and that allows you to get a lot of people back to your website so you can grow your traffic or launch some special campaigns and target specific people by using web push notifications. That's it, guys. All you need to know about web push notifications. If you still have some questions, just leave me a comment and I will be most happy to help. If you did indeed enjoy this video, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.